Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss a USA high school algebra problem. The question says find the value of this given third expression. We have a square root of 16 plus 2 root 55. So we have a square root of 16 plus 2 root 55. Now if you have solved such questions before, then you know that the standard process is to make this a perfect square, so that the square of, let's say, something and a square root, both of these get cancelled out and we are able to simplify this, right? So this would be my answer. So our whole objective is to make this a perfect square, this 16 plus 2 root 55. And how can we make it a perfect square? So if you notice here we have plus sign, so let us try to make this a perfect square of, also there is 2 here, so most likely this would be of the format of a plus b whole square. And what is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now if I map this, then you can notice here we already have a 2ab term, and here also we have 2 root 55. So this would map with this, and the remaining one, a square plus b square, would map with 60. So in other words, we have 16 plus 2 root 55. We want two numbers a and b. We want two numbers a and b such that 16 is nothing but a square plus b square, and this 2 would be mapped with 2, and this ab would map with root 55. It means I want two numbers a and b such that I can split root 55 into two numbers a and b such that their sum of squares, a square plus b square, is nothing but 16. Now what two numbers I can choose? So root 55, if you try to split this, then the prime factorization of 55 is nothing but 5 and 11, right? And both are primes. It means that there is no other prime factorization for this. So let's try root 5 and root 11. Let's say this is a, this is b. So if I do a square, if I square this, then I will get 5. If I do b square, if I square this, then I will get 11. If I add them up, then I will get 16. And this is what our desired value is, right? It means that we can split root 55 into root 5 and root 11. So we can rewrite this whole as perfect square of root 11 plus root 5 whole square. Now this is not what we want. We want a square root of this, right? So a square root of this. Now obviously a square root and this square would be get cancelled out. So from here we will get root 11 plus root 5. So our answer is root 11 plus root 5. So I hope you understood the solution. If you know any better method, then obviously you can put it in comment section, and any suggestions if you have, then also you can put it in comment section. We can have a healthy discussion. I hope you like this. So thanks for the watching. So thank you.